Stay with me, stay with me, he repeats again and again. Thank God you are saved. This specific branch was tasked with service in a windowless cell that can finally see the sky. This is the third prison they brought me to, he says. It's the third prison door. We go in to get a closer to terrorists, he says. Do they hit you, the fighter asks? Yes, yes, he says. They brought me here to Damascus. They asked me about name. The fighter hands him. After 3 months. Is there someone there? He tells us his name is Adil Khurbal. In the cell for 3 months. Oh God, there is light. Oh God, there is light. You are safe. Don't be afraid anymore. Everything you are afraid of is gone. We don't find any hints of Tice. We come across something extraordinary. For 3 months I didn't know him. We start to walk him outside.
I can't tell though, it might just be a blanket, but it's the only cell that's locked.
Interrogating him about his phone, surveillance, arrest, and killing of all regime critics. The rebel tells him there's no more army, no more prisons, no more checkpoints. I'm a civilian, he says. I'm a civilian. Like traces of Austin Tice, the American journalist held. So many ghosts remain. Every car I got into, they blindfolded me, he says. Prisons across the city. I'm shaking, my face is shaking, he says. And officers from the much feared khabar intelligence services. Don't be afraid, don't be afraid, the ambulance reported. Tens of thousands of Syrians have disappeared in Assad's prisons up until something to eat barely lifted to his mouth. Is someone there? Or is it just a blanket? I don't know. Can't handle it. His captors fled during the fall of Damascus, captive in Syria since 2012. It's one of many secret prisons. He tells the fighter he's from the city of Homs. His bins. Does anyone have any water? As a paramedic arrives, shock sets in.
Hello?
Don't be afraid, the fighter says. You are free. Words. It is the end of a very dark chapter for him and for all of Syria. 15 minutes ago, Adil Khurbal was one of them. He's still petrified.
Is he gonna shoot it?
The guard makes us turn the camera off while he shoots the lock off the cell. Look. It's still not clear if there is something under the blanket. His body can't. You're okay. He clutches my arm tightly with both hands. God, the light. Might. Okay, it's water. Took him from his home and began it. Okay, you're okay. Are you serious, he says? Syria Harra. Syria. Okay, you're okay. family, he says. I didn't hear anything about my children. There's nothing. Everything's okay. The Red Crescent is coming to help you, this man assures him, leaving him with no food or water. That was at least 4 days ago. Stay with me, stay with me, he repeats again and again. Thank God you are saved. This specific branch was tasked with service in a windowless cell where he can finally see the sky. This is the third prison they brought me to, he says. The third prison. Door. We go in to get a closer look at terrorists, he says. They hit you, the fighter asks. Yes, yes, he says. They brought me here to Damascus. They asked me about name. The fighter hands him. After 3 months,